Well, this is Boatshed Cornwall. Welcome aboard this Hillyard 12 ton, and I'm just about to walk you through the interior. I'm currently stood at the aft end of the saloon, and I'm just going to slowly make my way forward for you. So here's the starboard saloon seat, which can be converted into a bunk. I'll just make my way forward through the double bulkhead arrangement into what is the heads compartment on the port side, and we'll carry on through into what is the forward cabin with two single bunks. So you look up into the forepeak. Right, so I'll make my way aft now, and on the starboard side of what is the heads come shower, there's a basin. Oops. And on the port side again, the saloon. This is the saloon table in its stowed position. So a recent upgrade to this boat was this year. This fridge was installed because this boat has been used for extensive cruising and actually wasn't lived aboard for a few years. Galley, double sink, and cooker with twin hob, triple hob, beg your pardon. And then on the starboard side outboard is the chart table, nav station if you like. Complete with EPIRB, GPS, VHF radio, and this is where you can store your charts. Right, so I'm going to step up into the cockpit now and go aft. And what is the aft cabin? Lots of storage outboard. So we're in the cockpit area now. So this will be the helm position. So just look forward to the forward companionway into the saloon. And again, if I turn around and look aft, to the aft companionway into the aft cabin. So I'm not quite back where I started, but I guess this concludes the interior tour of this Hillyard 12 ton. If you like what you see and you'd like to know more, then please do contact us at Boatshed Cornwall.